Hey guys, Mix here, and in today's video we're doing something very big that a lot of you guys have been wanting me to do and what I've been wanting to do for such a long time. So as you guys can see, I have the Half Scout NASCAR behind me, and as you guys can tell from the title and thumbnail, I am going to be taking this thing onto the street for the first time ever. This thing is pretty much completely untested. I've only bring it in, just around the yard a couple times, but obviously that is not testing. That's just cruising around the yard. But today I am going to get on it. Obviously probably not top it out because I do want to be safe in doing this. I am actually just a little bit nervous for taking it out onto the road just because I've never driven it before and gotten on it. So I did do a couple things to ensure that we will be a little bit safer when doing it. I tightened up the spring for the throttle because I wasn't returning all the way, and obviously you want that thing to return. I remounted up the tachometer so it's not bouncing around everywhere. I tidied everything up inside, and I'm going to be rolling a GoPro right here into the front and then a helmet cam inside. So that should definitely look pretty sweet. I really don't know what to expect from this thing, but I'm really excited. I'm not going to go all the way out most likely on it because I don't want to break anything and I don't want to get injured, but I am going to wear a helmet and everything just in case, you never know. And inside of here there are these two bars from the roll cage. Sometimes if you hit a bump, your head can hit into them and it really hurts. But I guess we will just see what will happen. So this isn't going to be like a top speed video or anything like that, just the first time on the street. But a top speed video should be coming soon. I have a spot that I want to take it to that will really be able to open this thing up. But this thing pretty much is ready to go. I mean, that flex tape on that crack, as you guys saw from last video, I did rig it up, but it is still hanging on there and strong. We have all these Zeus's on, body's nice and tight. It is definitely gonna be super loud inside because the muffler fell off, as you guys know from last video when I was taking it around the yard. So now it's just a header, there's no muffler. So I'm gonna try and look for earplugs or anything. I don't think I have any, so I might just need to deal with it. But right now I do want to go ahead and start this thing up, let it warm up. It hasn't been ran in a little while. And then once it's pretty warm, I'll turn it off, I'll get ready, start rolling the GoPros, and head out. Turn on the fuel, choke is on, pump the gas a little bit. Alright, here we go. No way. No way. Battery is dead. This battery has never died on me, ever. And now, it died somehow. So it looks like I'm going to be putting this thing onto the battery charger just for a little bit, just enough for it to start up, and then we'll be rolling out of here. Battery is hooked up now, and it is charging. So I'll catch you guys back, like I said before, once this thing is ready to start.
Eventually.
So it is a little while later, and the NASCAR is running now. So I'm gonna let it warm up like I said earlier, and then it is finally time. Alrighty, so it is pulled out front now. So I'm gonna throw on the helmet. I'm probably gonna just throw some clear safety goggles in there just in case the goggles start fogging up. But we'll just see what happens, and I'll catch you guys on the GoPro. Alrighty guys, so as you guys can see, it is super tight in here with my helmet on. So I might have to ditch it just for this video's sake until I make more room in here. So I'll catch you guys back once I figure something out. Alrighty guys, so I'm going to be rocking no helmet. I don't recommend doing this, but got to do it for the vid. Hopefully you guys can still hear me. I have the mic hooked up to the other GoPro on the helmet, and then it'll be on this one, so we'll just see what happens. So here we go. Start the brakes. gotta bring this thing in before the cops come. This thing is insane! Oh my god! Woo! Oh, I can't hear anything right now, but guys, this thing is so fast. I don't know how fast I was just going. I could only hear myself barely. Hopefully this mic didn't literally explode on itself, but I am a loss for words right now. I wish I could drive it more, but I don't want the cops to come. Everybody's outside like recording me right now, so catch you guys back in the backyard. Alrighty guys, so it just got pretty dark out. I just got the NASCAR back here. My hearing's starting to get a little bit better. Hopefully you guys could have heard me. I didn't really look over any of the GoPro footage yet because I just got this thing back here. But this thing is so fast. You probably can't even tell from the third-person shots. It wasn't even close to even being topped out because that's how these mini cup cars are. If you look up videos on them, they go around on a track slower and then they slowly, gradually go up until they're going to like 80 to 100 miles per hour. I'm sure this thing is capable of doing, I'd say, 90. Some of you guys might think otherwise, but when I was in that thing, it felt faster than anything I've ever been on. On the top speed-wise, acceleration-wise, it isn't that good, but as you guys know with these engines, you need to sacrifice lower bottom-end power for top-end speed, and that's exactly what was done to this cart. But guys, I'm going to catch you guys again tomorrow so I can talk about some more stuff with this. Then also, we might be working on the free pit bike, so catch you guys then. So guys, we are back here the next day, and I have the NASCAR back here. I pulled it all the way back to where we work, and I am so happy how this thing performed out on the street yesterday. As you guys saw from the video, this thing was cooking, and it doesn't look like on the camera that it was going that fast, but she was moving out. That top end on there is just absolutely insane. But I'm super happy how everything worked. There are really no problems at all. But what I would do probably before I take this thing for its top speed run is try and make some more room in here. I'm pretty sure I can move the pedals back one more like bolt hole farther back, and I'm pretty sure the seat is all the way back, but I'm sure we could do some customization to make it a little bit more, you know, easier to get in there. Because as you guys saw from the video, my knees were all crunched up. I mean, it wasn't that uncomfortable, but I would rather have, you know, my legs more straight. And also my hearing is back right now. Luckily, for like an hour and a half, like 2 hours, my ears were like totally gone. So at least nothing happened to them, but take that as a lesson. Always wear ear protection when you know something is super loud. But anyway guys, I'm gonna be ending the video here. Comment down below on how you guys think the Half Scout NASCAR did. I think it did really good, and it wasn't even close to topping out. That's what I really like about this, because you guys can hear if you listen in when this thing hits the power band, and I was barely in it when I was taking on the street. So first it would do like that constant throttle and RPM range until it would move. So actually I put an example right here what I mean. So it'll go straight, and then it'll kind of lower down and then begin to go back up, and then that's when it would really just take off. But anyway guys, stay tuned for more awesome videos coming soon with the NASCAR, the free pit bike build series, tons of videos to come. But anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, tell your friends about the channel.